Hello and welcome to this free trial from the Channel Institute. This is an actual module from the certificate course, so it should give you a very good idea of what the full course will be like. The certificate course itself has been approved by our Industry Advisory Council, which is comprised of the channel thought leaders at some of the largest technology employers worldwide. And their goal is to make sure that we are bringing you best practices that can help you develop your companies and also develop your career. If you do decide to go ahead with the full certificate course, remember Channel Institute offers a 100% money back guarantee if you're not satisfied for any reason. And on that note, at the end of this module, you will find a feedback survey. We would greatly appreciate your feedback to help us continuously improve our courses as we go forward. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this free trial. I hope you learned something, and I look forward to you joining us on the full certificate course. Thank you.